Good evening to all of you. My name is Shakun Garg and I am Assistant Professor in Information Technology Department in IIMT Engineering College, Greater Noida, one of the reputed institutes in India. And as a teacher in IT, here I am here to introduce what is machine learning. Uh, it is a latest trend in the field of IT, machine learning. And this is the first slide. What is machine learning? In the real world, we are surrounded by humans who can learn everything from their experience with their learning capability, and we have computers or machines which work on our instruction. But can a machine also learn from experiences or past data like a human does? So here comes the role of machine learning. As a human, we can do anything on the basis of our experience. We can make any decision on the basis of experience. Similarly, can a machine give or take decision on the basis of his experience, of its experience? Is it possible? Yeah. In today era, it is possible with the help of machine learning field, or we can say it with the help of machine learning subject. It is possible that a machine learning can take decision on the basis of its experience. The machine learning is not a new buzzword in the field of computer science or IT. It is a subfield of artificial intelligence. So we can say machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. This is a picture. Inside a picture, there is a human. Human, I can learn everything automatically from experiences. Can you learn? Human is asking to a machine. Machine can be a robot. Machine can be a program. Machine can be a system, or anything that a human is designing. So human is asking to a machine, I can learn everything automatically from experiences. Main thing is experience. On the basis of his experience, human can do anything. Similarly, he's asking to a machine. The machine is giving answer. Yes, I can also learn from past data with the help of machine learning. So there is a past data concept. On the basis of past data, a human can learn on the basis of experience, while a machine can learn on the basis of past data. Data that is available in our database. On the basis of that data, a machine can take do anything by default. So yes, machine is saying yes, I can also learn from past data with the help of machine learning. So there is a there is a this is the main theme behind the machine learning. Machine can learn on the basis of its past data. Machine learning enables a machine to automatically learn from data, improve performance from experiences, and predict things without being explicitly programmed. This is the main term in this definition. Explicitly programmed. Without being explicitly programmed means no need to write any code. In the field of computer science or IT, we have to need write some code. But in the case of machine learning, that is a part of artificial intelligence, there is no need to write much code without being explicitly programmed. There are some predefined algorithms, and with the help of those algorithms, a machine um, starts learning. The main thing is past data. So there is no need to write code or anything else. There is a past data and there are predefined algorithms. With the help of those algorithms, We will design model, and on the basis of those models, machine will learn automatically and take decisions. So what is machine learning? With the help of sample historical data, which is as training data. So here data is divided into a two-way, training data and test data. With the help of sample historical data, which is known as training data, machine learning algorithm build a mathematical model. So machine learning algorithms build a mathematical model that helps in making prediction or decisions without being explicitly programmed. So uh, this is the way we can define machine learning. So there are two things: training data and machine learning algorithms. So training data plus machine learning algorithms both are combined and will develop a mathematical model, and that with the help of that mathematical model, our machine will make prediction or decision without being explicitly programmed. With no need to write any code. Machine learning brings computer science and statistics together for creating predicting models. Machine learning constructs or uses the algorithms that learn from historical data. The more we provide the information, the higher will be the performance. So, more data we will provide, training data, our model will be more accurate. If we provide less training data, then performance will be low. So when we are going to build a model, we must think about the volume of the data, what volume we are considering. If we are taking less data, then our model will be less accurate. So this is the way. A machine has the ability to learn if it can improve its performance by gaining more data. So how does machine learning work? A machine learning system learns from historical data, builds the prediction models, and whenever it receives new data, predict the output for it. Now, data is categorized in two ways. First, it is training data, and second is the test data. Training data plus algorithms. We design a mathematical model. When we develop a mathematical model, then we will use again data. That data will called as test data, and with the help of test data, we will validate that mathematical model is working properly or not, or how much percentage it is giving right output. The accuracy of predicted output depend upon the amount of data, as the huge amount of data helps to build a better model which predicts the output more accurately. Suppose we have a complex problem where we need to perform some predictions. So instead of writing a code for it, we just need to feed the data to generic algorithms, and with the help of these algorithms, machine build the logic as per the data and predict the output. Machine learning has changed our way of thinking about the problem. So this is a diagrammatical representation how a machine learning algorithm work and how we will give input data. Here input data, that is our training data. Initially data, as I earlier said, the data is categorized in two ways: training data and testing data. Training data is used when we are building a model. So input data is training data, and we are giving input it into the machine learning algorithm. There are different machine learning algorithm available, and with the help of that training data, that is the past data, learn we will learn from data. That algorithm we will try to learn. After learning, there is a building logical model, that is a mathematical model, and now we will take test data, that is a new data, to justify or to validate that our mathematical model is giving right output or not. Feature of machine learning. Machine learning uses data to detect various patterns in a given data set. It can learn from past data and improve automatically. It is a data-driven technology. Machine learning is much similar to data mining, as it also deals with the huge amount of the data. As you know about data mining. What is data mining? Data mining means there is a large amount of data, and from that data, with the help of some algorithms, we are mining those data and converting that data into the information. So machine learning, we can say it is a much similar to data mining, because in data mining we are concerning about the huge amount of data. In the machine learning, if we want to create a right prediction, then there is need of high volume of training data. Need for machine learning. The need for machine learning is increasing day by day. The reason behind the need for machine learning is that it is capable of doing tasks that are too complex for a person to implement directly. As a human, we have some limitations, as we cannot access the huge amount of data manually. So this we need some computer system, and here comes the machine learning to make things easy for use. The importance of machine learning can be easily understood by its use cases. Currently, machine learning is used in self-driving cars, cyber fraud detection, face recognition, and friend suggestions by Facebook, etc. Various top companies such as Netflix and Amazon have built machine learning models that are using a vast amount of data to analyze the user interest and recommend product accordingly. Again, rapid increment in the production of data, solving complex problems which are difficult for a human, decision making in various sectors, including finance, finding hidden patterns and extracting useful information from data. Now, the next thing in the machine learning is the classification of machine learning. At a broad level, machine learning can be classified into three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. This is represented by using this diagram. So supervised learning is a type of machine learning method in which we provide sample level data to the machine learning system in order to train it, and on the basis it predicts the output. The system creates a model using labeled data to understand the data sets and learn about each data. Once the training and processing are done, then we test the model by providing a sample data to check whether it is predicting the exact output or not. As I earlier said, data is categorized into two ways: training data and test data. So with the help of training data, we create a model, and with the help of test data, we justify that our model is giving right in output or not. The goal of supervised learning is to map input data with the output data. The supervised learning is based on supervision, as its name, supervised. So from where supervised comes, it is from supervision. And it is same as when a student learns things in supervision of the teacher. The example of supervised learning is the spam filtering. Supervised learning can be grouped further into two categories: classification and now unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a learning method in which a machine learns without any supervision. In supervised learning, there is a supervision. In unsupervised learning, there is a no supervision. The training is provided to the machine with a set of data that has not been labeled. So this is the major difference in between supervised and unsupervised. So in supervised learning, the training data that we are taking as an input to build a mathematical model, that data is in labeled, while in the case of unsupervised learning, the training data is unlabeled. There is no labeling. That has not been labeled, classified, or categorized, and the algorithm needs to act on that data without any supervision. There is no supervision, and The training data is unlabeled. The goal of unsupervised learning is to restructure the input data into new features or a group of objects with similar patterns. So just like supervised learning, we have to categorize the data. We have to without there is a label on the training testing data, but in the unsupervised there is no labeling. In supervised learning, we do not have a predetermined result. The machine tries to find useful insights from the huge amount of data. It can be further classified into two categories of algorithms: clustering and association. In supervised learning, there is a term classification, while in the unsupervised learning, there is a word clustering. So, in we can differentiate classification and clustering in a simple way. In a classification, data is already there is a labeling of the classes, while in the case of clustering, there is a no labeling of the classes. We will categorize data on the basis of its feature. Now, reinforcement. This is the third categorization of machine learning algorithms. Reinforcement learning is a feedback-based learning method in which a learning agent gets a reward for each right action and gets a penalty for each wrong action. The agent learns automatically with these feedbacks and improves its performance. In reinforcement learning, the agent interacts with the environment and explores it. The goal of an agent is to get the most reward points, and hence it improves its performance. The robotic dog, which automatically learns the movement of his arms, is an example of reinforcement learning. So in reinforcement learning, there is a feedback system. If that model is giving right output, then it will be rewarded. If it is giving wrong output, then it will be um, punished in the term of penalty. So agent who will give right answer, right output, then it will be rewarded. And most the goal of an agent is to get most reward points to improve its performance. This is the reinforcement learning. That's the third categorization of machine learning. Now, there are different applications of machine learning. Machine learning is a buzzword for today's technology, and it is growing very rapidly day by day. We are using machine learning in our daily life even without knowing it, such as Google Maps, Google Assistant, Alexa, etc. Below are some most trends of machine learning with the help of this pictorial representation. There are different areas, different fields. We are using machine learning in image recognition, automatic language translation, medical diagnosis, stock market trending, online fraud detection, personal assistant, email spam and malware filtering, self-driving cars, product recommendation system, traffic prediction, speech recognition system, and so on. The application of machine learning, image recognition, where we apply machine learning. Image recognition is one of the most common application of machine learning. It is used to identify objects, person, places, digital images, etc. The popular use case of machine recognition and face recognition is automatic friend tagging suggestion. So Facebook provides us a feature of auto friend tagging suggestion whenever we upload a photo with our Facebook friends, then we automatically get a tagging suggestion with name, and the technology behind this is a machine learning face detection and recognition algorithm. It is based on Facebook project named Deep Face, which is responsible for face recognition and face identification in the picture. So whenever we upload a photo of our in the photo there are more than one person, then Facebook automatically give notification to a person who is in photo. How is it possible? Is there is a clever algorithm behind this, or is there in any uh, other technology? No, there is no clever algorithm. It is an application of machine learning. With the help of machine learning, it is possible uh, uh, that if someone uploaded a photo on the Facebook, then automatically, with the help of machine learning, it will all the persons who have account on Facebook and are in the same photo will get notification from Facebook that is it you. It means there is some specific algorithms. There are some specific mathematical models are designed with the help of machine learning that are working behind the screen to do all the things by default by automatically. Speech recognition is the second application where we can implement machine learning. While using Google, we get an option of search by voice. It comes under speech recognition and it's a popular application of machine learning. Speech recognition is a process of converting voice instruction into the text, and it is known as speech to text or computer speech recognition. At present, machine learning algorithms are widely used for various applications of speech recognition. Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, and Alexa are using speech recognition technology to follow the voice instruction. As we all know about Alexa, we say something to Alexa and Alexa gives output in voice form again. It serves automatically whatever we say to him, to her. So how is it possible? So there is a machine learning algorithms behind machine learning technology behind this invention. Machine learning technology automatically do all the things. Another application, traffic prediction. If we want to visit a new place, we take help of Google Maps, which shows us the correct path with shortest route and predicts the traffic condition. It predicts the traffic conditions such as whether traffic is cleared, slow moving, or heavily congested with the help of two ways real time location of the vehicle from Google Map app and sensor. Average time has taken on past days at the same time. Everyone who is using Google Map is helping this app to make it better. It takes information from the user and send back to its database to improve the performance. So here is third point. Please watch it clearly. Everyone who is using Google Map is helping this app to make it better. So everyone is using Google Map. So how Google Map machine learning model automatically learning from where it is getting past data or current data. So everyone who is using Google Map is helping to make Google Map more better. It is clear? Yeah. It takes information from the user and send back to database to improve the performance. Main thing is data. If we have good quality data, then our machine learning model will give uh, accurate result. It depends on the quality of data. For what domain we are creating a model, that from that domain, data must be accurate. Application of machine learning, product recommendation. Machine learning is widely used by various e-commerce and entertainment companies such as Amazon, Netflix, etc. for product recommendation to the user. Whenever we search for some product on Amazon, then we started getting an advertisement for the same product while internet surfing on the same browser, and this is because of machine learning. Google understands the user interest using various machine learning algorithms and suggests the product as per customer interest. As similar, when we use Netflix, we find some recommendation for entertainment series, movies, etc. And this is also done with the help of machine learning. As you all purchase something from Amazon and Flipkart on Snapdeal, these are the online shopping platform. And when we search for a particular mobile phone in the range of uh, suppose in between 5,000 to 10,000, then automatically that website gives some recommendation. These are also in the same category as per your interest. So how, who is working behind this thing? There is a machine learning. Machine learning will do recommendation to the customer or the person. Then you can also choose these products. Self-driving cars. One of the most exciting application of machine learning is self-driving cars. Machine learning plays a significant role in self-driving cars. Tesla and the most popular car manufacturing companies working on self-driving car. It is using unsupervised learning method to train the car model to detect pupil and object while driving. So there is a self-driving cars. Tesla company is working on this self-driving car. So with the help of machine learning, cars are driving independently. There is no need uh, of car driving driver. So there are different other things or difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. In the first slide, I earlier said that machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. If anyone says that machine learning is the new or it is the independent technique, no, it is a subset of artificial intelligence. Here we are try to make machine more intelligent with the help of data. Thank you very much.